In this video, we will cover many aspects related to the basic search feature on Anstrex InStream platform. Basic search allows you to search multiple fields related to a creative using a single or multiple keywords. You can invoke basic search by clicking on the search button on the top right corner. This button will create a modal window as shown on the screen. As you can see, the basic search modal window has a keyword field and multiple radio buttons. Each radio button corresponds to a particular field that can be searched. Let's understand each one with examples. Creative text. Every video creative on TikTok has a text field that is used to provide a detailed description of the creative, including hashtags. You can search for any keywords in this field using this radio button. Let's try a simple word blender. As you can see, you start seeing results with the word blender in the creative text field. You can get more specific by typing an additional keyword, smoothie. This will cause the search engine to find creatives with both these words in the creative text field, as you can see. As evident, the search results also get more specific because of this additional keyword. Now let's look at translated text option. The creative text field is not in English for majority of creatives that are from non-English speaking countries. Anstrex platform translates all such text fields into English. This radio button allows you search the English translated text field to search non-English creative text using English keywords. Let's try this. We will use the word cutter and search translated text. The results page, as expected, returns various creatives which are not in English. However, you are able to now search non-English creatives using an English keyword to get the results with various kind of cutting tools and equipment. This is an extremely powerful feature that is exclusively available on Anstrex. The next radio button is advertiser name. This option allows you to search for a particular advertiser. You can simply type a full or partial keyword that matches the advertiser name to get the desired results. For example, I can find all the ads from Disney by searching for this word in the advertiser name. This feature is typically used when you have already identified your competitors and are interested in exclusively looking at their creatives and campaigns. Next available field is landing page text. Again, this feature is exclusive to Anstrex and is extremely powerful. We create an index of all the landing pages in our search engine so that you can search for keywords within the landing pages of various creatives. Let's try searching for the keyword iPhone in landing pages field. We get results that are related to iPhone, but there is no mention of iPhone in the creative text. This is pretty impressive because now you have the ability to find highly relevant creatives using simple keywords present on the landing page only. Without this search option, these creatives would be extremely hard to search. Again, just like previous examples, we can get more specific by typing additional keywords such as screen to find results pertaining to screen protectors for iPhone. Next is the landing page URL option. This field can be searched in novel ways as it allows you to search for the full URL, including all the URL parameters. Here are some examples on how to quickly find affiliate ad campaigns. We will use the keyword affiliate because this word is present in many affiliate URLs. As you can see from the results, we see the word affiliate present as a parameter in the URL, indicating that these campaigns are run by affiliates. Another commonly used parameter for affiliate links is AF_ID. We can also employ this keyword to search for affiliate campaigns. Again, the results show the presence of this parameter in the URL. The next searchable field that is available in basic search is landing page domain. This field, like advertiser name field, can be used to find your competitors' campaigns and creatives, assuming that you know the domain name. For example, I can search for all the creatives that point to Chanel.com domain to find all the creatives from Chanel. Last, but not the least, is Creative URL Chains field. In many cases, the link provided by the advertiser gets redirected from one URL to another. A most common example is the advertiser using a URL shortening service such as bit.ly. Another common example is many affiliate tracking platforms use a redirect link to record affiliate sales. For example, AliExpress redirects its affiliate links from .click.aliexpress.com to AliExpress product page. Let's do a search for the presence of s.click.aliexpress.com in the URL chain to find AliExpress affiliate links. As you can see, we get various results with URL chains showing redirection from s.click.aliexpress.com domain to AliExpress product page. Before I conclude this tutorial on basic search, I would also like to add that you can use any of the drop-down filters with basic search as shown on your screen. You can disable the search expression anytime by clicking on the X button next to search label or use Reset All button to remove all the filters and searches. I hope I was able to demonstrate how powerful the basic search tool is on Anstrex platform with the examples included in this video. See you again in the next tutorial video. Until then, cheers!